I have a fear. I am never going to amount to anything. That when I graduate high school, I'm never going to make it to college. I'm never going to have a degree, a career, a family, and I feel like friends that I can depend upon when I need them. To be able to accomplish them. And it's scary. It's something I think about every single day. Every day when I'm at school, when I'm at home doing my homework. Even when I'm with my friends, I wonder, are they going to be here forever? Or are they going to leave? Like, it's easy. It's so easy to leave. I wonder these things all the time. What if I don't go to college? And it's so hard. And what if I don't get my degree? Just always have all these thoughts surrounding my brain. And I don't have the friends and family that I feel like I need. And I don't know what to do about it. How to get it to go away. How to have the peace that I need. What if it's it for me?
Am I capable of doing this? Are my goals, dreams too big?
What's your plans for after high school?
I want to get into a college in Washington, D.C., but I don't know about it.
Why not?
I'm afraid that I won't get in. Then, so it's like hard to even try to get in.
Do you feel like it's hard to get in because you can't, or why?
Sometimes I feel like my anxiety is just too much, and then I think back to how my family is, and it's really hard to even think that I could do it.
It's not about thinking that you're not smart enough. It's about how much hard work you put into it. Because the harder you work, the further you'll get.
Do you want this really bad?
Yes, like, it's my dream. I haven't deterred from this in years.
So what makes you think you won't work hard for it?
I mean, I know I'll work hard for it. It's just getting there. That's the thing. It's just getting there. That's the thing.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Just hanging out. Cam, you want to join us?
Yeah, if that's all right with you guys.
Oh yeah, it's always all right.
Well, we've been talking about life after high school, so what's that like for you?
Yeah, that's something I definitely think about a lot.
Yeah, I was just talking to them about how, like, I'm nervous about my internship that I want to get into.
It scares you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a crap ton out of me.
Graduating scares me too. Like, I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, am I gonna be able to afford to go to college? Who am I gonna be with? Like, who's gonna be there?
Yeah. Really relatable.
Yeah. You know, guys, I'm really glad that we all got to talk and hang out today.
Me too.
It's so cool having people that you can relate with and talk about things that are going on.
On the morning we shot this video, I was so encouraged by the students who just jumped out and took the lead and made this thing their own. It's an amazing opportunity to work with students. My name's John Williams and I help lead Life That Counts. We're a 501c3 committed to helping students make better decisions for more healthy outcomes. If this video or any others that we've done has been an encouragement to you in any way, we'd love to hear from you. You can drop us an email, info@lifethatcounts.org, or leave comments on any of our social. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's been an encouragement to you, and our aim is to help you go out and live a life that counts.